Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. In this video I am going to show you my walk to the top of Killiney Hill, a destination for walkers and hikers. Killiney Hill is located on the southern boundary of Dublin Bay and offers mind-blowing views to Dublin, the Irish Sea, the mountains of Wales, Bray and Wicklow mountains.
YouTuber! How many subs?
Excuse me, is this the way to Killiney Hill?
Yeah, you just have to go up that hill and then
up to the
turn
right.
left.
Yeah.
And right then left, and then just follow the road.
Okay, thank you.
I did both trips to Dalkey and Killiney Hill in one day because I live a bit far, but I don't recommend you to do the same because I walked over 20 kilometers and I was constantly in a hurry. I couldn't sit and relax and enjoy the beautiful nature. The walk up to the Killiney Hill is about 40 minutes starting from the Dalkey Dart station, and there are two routes. One is shorter and the other one is longer and goes over the hill. If you decide to come here, spend at least 3 hours because there are some perfect stops to enjoy the magnificent views and relax on the grass and have a picnic.
Wants to stay?
Yeah, apparently. Who doesn't?
Yeah.
It's lovely, guys. It's also a gorgeous day. Killiney Hill is 153 meters high, and once you reach the top you will see an obelisk that was built in 1742 to commemorate the people who died during the island's famine. Close to the obelisk, you will see the Pyramid of Dublin, constructed in 1852. It's also known as the Wishing Stone, and it's believed that if you make a wish and walk around each level and then stand up on the top facing the Dalkey Island, then your wish is going to come true. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. I hope you have enjoyed this travel vlog and watch out for my next videos, which will take you to other interesting places here in Ireland. Take care and thanks for watching.